Hello and welcome. Dear students, we have studied Home tab, and in Home tab we have learned how to add a new slide and what are placeholders. So now we will discuss font section of Home tab. In font section we have font style, font size, bold, italic, underline, and we have change case, we have text highlighter, we have text color, we have different commands available for making our presentation more attractive. So let us start. First of all, this font section is only for text which we will be using in our PowerPoint presentation. For example, for applying font to any section of text, we have to first of all select that particular text, and then we have to go here on font style, and here is a available drop down arrow. We will click on that and a number of font styles gets available in front of us. After that, we have to move our cursor through these font styles and choose our desired font style. We have a number of font styles available here. For example, let us choose this one. So after selecting font style, we can change the text size by clicking on this font size, and we have to do same thing like we did in font style. We have to move our cursor through these sizes, different sizes which are available in our PowerPoint. Then we have to choose our desired size for our text. We have a default, or we have a predefined command for that also available in PowerPoint. For example, this, by clicking this we can increase our font size, and by clicking this option we can simply decrease our font size. For example, let us increase it more or let us decrease it. We can simply click on these two functions and the size of our text will get changed accordingly. After that, for example, if I am having this font on my text area, so I want to make my text bold. For that, I have the option available here. First of all, we have to ensure that we have selected our text on which we want to apply the change. For that, we have this bold. We will simply click on bold and the change will get applied on our text. For example, you are seeing I'm getting it bold. Then we can change it to italic, we can underline it, we can cancel the underline, we can cancel the italic by simply clicking on it again and again. After that, we have text shadow. We will click on it and text shadow will get appear in our text. After that, we can disable it also by clicking on the same command. After that, we have this strike through. We can take our text like this by clicking on strike through option. After that, we have character spacing option available. We can click on it and we can choose our character spacing, how loose or how tight we want our characters to be in our text, in our word. For example, this is our title, so we will choose it as per this. After that, for example, if we have written some our slide, we have put in a large amount of data in our slide, then we want to change its case. Case means, for example, if we have written it in capital, we want to change it, change the letters of particular sentence into small letters. For that, we in computer we call it case change. So for that, we have this option available. We can simply, lowercase is for small letters and uppercase is for capital letters. For example, if we have written a document in any Microsoft application, like we have Word, we have PowerPoint, in these applications we can change the case of text by simply clicking on this option, change case option. So for example, I can change it to sentence case. In this case, the first letter of my text gets capital, then in lowercase every letter of my word gets in small letters, in uppercase it gets capitalized, capitalizing each word. For example, if we have sentence, then every word of that particular sentence will get its first word capitalized. Then we have toggle case. This means that any word can be capitalized and rest can be for example written in small letters, and it depends on toggle case. For example, first letter will be capital, second will be small, then third or fourth will be small accordingly. So after that we can highlight our text by simply clicking on this AB. This is called text highlighter. This function is same as we do in our copies, in our fair copies we do this text highlighting. I can highlight, or if I don't want any highlight in my text, then I have to click on this AB and I have to choose here no color. Then this will get applied on my text. After that I can change the color of my text by simply clicking on this text color. For that I have to first of all select my text, then I can apply any change to my text. For example, I will be changing the color. For example, I will set this color. So we have first of all changed the font of our text, then we have increased its font size, then we have made it bold, then italic, and these following commands. We have applied all these commands in our text, and I have showed you how these work, how these gets enabled or how these gets disabled. So for example, if I don't want any change in my font, I want to erase my all the formatting. We call this formatting, the changing of font style, font size, making it bold, italic. I want to erase all this formatting. For that we have only one command available in this. For example, this is called clear all formatting. I will just click on this and all the formatting will get to its default size and shape and color. So thank you, this was all for today. Let's meet in the next section. Till then, goodbye.